Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EasyTalk English, where learning English becomes simple, practical, and enjoyable. I'm Victor.
And I'm Emma. Thank you so much for joining us today. Whether you're watching from Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, or anywhere else in the world, we're happy you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something that can completely change your English journey.
Have you ever thought, why do I understand English, but I can't speak confidently? Or maybe, why do I forget new vocabulary so quickly? Or, why isn't my English improving even though I study every day? If you've asked yourself these questions, you're definitely not alone.
The truth is, confidence doesn't appear overnight. Fluent English isn't magic. It's built through small, daily habits. Today, we're going to learn 7 powerful daily habits that successful English learners use every day. These habits improve your listening, reading, speaking, writing at the same time. If you practice them consistently, your English will become stronger every single week.
Here's today's wisdom. Small habits repeated every day create big success tomorrow. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need consistent English.
Before we begin, please remember this. Learning English is not a race. Everyone learns at a different speed. The most important thing is to keep moving forward. Even 20 minutes every day is much better than studying for 5 hours only once a month. Ready? Let's begin. Habit 1. Listen to English every day.
Our first habit is simple. Listen to English every day, even just 15 minutes. Listening is the foundation of speaking. Children learn to speak because they listen first. You can do the same. Listen to podcasts, watch YouTube videos, listen to short stories, watch English news for learners. Choose material that you understand about 70 to 80%. Don't choose something that is too difficult. Emma, how often do you listen to English?
Every morning. Usually while I'm drinking coffee. Sometimes I listen to English conversations. Sometimes I listen to audiobooks.
Do you understand every word?
No, and that's okay. I focus on understanding the main idea. Little by little, my listening improves. Listening tip. Don't stop the audio every 5 seconds. First, listen naturally. Then, listen again. The second time, notice new words.
Habit 2. Read something in English every day.
Our second habit is reading. Reading helps you discover new vocabulary naturally. You also learn grammar without memorizing difficult rules. Read something interesting. For example, short news, children's stories, blog articles, easy novels. Read for 15 minutes every day. Consistency is more important than speed. Victor, what do you enjoy reading?
I enjoy reading motivational articles, sometimes business stories, sometimes travel blogs. Reading gives me new vocabulary and new ideas. Vocabulary tip. Don't translate every word. Guess the meaning from the sentence. This makes your brain stronger.
Habit 3. Speak English every day.
Many students wait until their English is perfect, then they'll speak. But perfect English never comes first. Speaking creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. Speak every day, even if you're alone. Talk about your day. Describe your room. Describe your plans. Ask yourself questions, then answer them. Emma, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I finished my work, then I cooked dinner. After dinner, I watched an English documentary. How about you?
I went for a walk, then I listened to an English podcast. After that, I practiced speaking for 20 minutes. Speaking practice. Repeat after us. I can improve every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Every conversation makes me better. Excellent. Habit 4. Write every day.
Writing is like exercise for your brain. It helps you organize your ideas. You don't need to write long essays. Start with 5 sentences. For example, today I woke up at 7. The weather was sunny. I studied English for 30 minutes. I learned 3 new words. I'm happy because I'm improving. That's enough.
Emma, do you keep an English journal?
Yes, every night. Just a few sentences. It's simple, but after 6 months, I noticed huge improvement. Writing challenge. Tonight, write 5 sentences about your day. Don't worry about mistakes. Just write.
Habit 5. Learn vocabulary in context. Don't memorize random word lists. Instead, learn words inside sentences. For example, instead of learning only the word opportunity, learn the sentence, "This job is a great opportunity." Now you understand how native speakers use it.
Victor, what's a useful word you learned recently?
Improve. My sentence is, I want to improve my English every day. Now it's easy to remember. Vocabulary strategy. Learn word, learn sentence, learn example. That's much more effective. Habit 6. Think in English.
This habit surprises many learners. Think in English. When you wake up, think, I'm tired. I need breakfast. I'm going to work. When you're shopping, think, I need milk. I need vegetables. This looks expensive. Soon, your brain stops translating. English becomes natural.
Emma, do you think in English?
Yes, especially during simple daily activities. It feels strange at first, but after practice, it's much easier. Daily exercise. For 10 minutes today, try thinking only in English. No translation, just simple thoughts.
Habit 7. Review every day. Many learners study but never review. Then they forget everything. Review is where real learning happens. Every weekend, look back. Review vocabulary. Review grammar. Review your notebook. Review your writing. You'll remember much more.
Victor, how do you review vocabulary?
I use old sentences. I read them aloud. Then I make new sentences. Review doesn't have to be boring.
The 4-skill daily plan. Let's put everything together. Here's a simple daily routine. Listening, 15 minutes. Listen to English conversations. Reading, 15 minutes. Read an article or story. Speaking, 15 minutes. Talk aloud. Shadow native speakers. Practice conversations. Writing, 15 minutes. Write 5 to 10 sentences. Total time, only 1 hour. If you're busy, do just 20 minutes. Consistency matters most.
Emma, why do you study English every day?
Because English opens new opportunities. I can travel, meet new friends, read international books, watch videos without subtitles. How about you?
For my career, English helps me communicate with people around the world. It gives me confidence.
Do you ever feel nervous?
Of course, everyone feels nervous, but confidence grows with practice. Every mistake teaches us something.
Exactly. Mistakes aren't failures, they're lessons.
That's why we should speak even when we're not perfect.
Absolutely. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Imagine yourself 1 year from today. You understand English movies. You speak confidently during meetings. You travel comfortably. You make international friends, all because you never gave up.
Success isn't about talent, it's about daily habits. One small step today, another tomorrow. Soon, you'll be amazed by your progress.
Let's quickly review today's 7 habits. Habit 1. Listen every day. Habit 2. Read every day. Habit 3. Speak every day. Habit 4. Write every day. Habit 5. Learn vocabulary in context. Habit 6. Think in English. Habit 7. Review regularly. Practice these 7 habits for the next 30 days.
You'll notice a big difference in your confidence.
Remember today's wisdom. Confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes because of action. Every sentence you speak, every page you read, every word you write, every minute you listen builds a better version of you.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We hope this lesson helps you become a more confident English speaker.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give this video a like, subscribe to EasyTalk English, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Now we'd love to hear from you. Write this sentence in the comments. I will practice English every day. And tell us, which of the 7 habits will you start today?
Remember, your English journey begins with one small step. Keep listening, keep reading, keep speaking, keep writing. Most importantly, never stop believing in yourself.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. And we'll see you in the next Easy Talk English lesson. Goodbye, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Wish you all the best.